Muffin, welcome to my unboxing video. Oh, Dad, I have to go to the toilet.
Muffin?
Hi, welcome to my unboxing video. Today we're going to open this dump truck. Dad, I don't want a dump truck. I want Cat Squad Kitty Island.
Muffin, this is the one they sent us, okay? Just say the line.
But I want Cat Squad Kitty Island. Okay, so I'll open this bit. It's stuck.
Don't break it, Muffin.
Oh, come on!
I told you.
You've really done a number on this thing.
This is the dump truck.
Push the button.
You push this button and it does this.
Push it harder.
It's not working.
Push it properly.
I am. You have to remember to put batteries in it first.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Maybe I should put some rocks in the back.
Give me those!
This is a dump truck. It is the worst toy ever. I hate it. Can I have it? No, it's mine!